Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the Navigate and Save section. This section has been named Navigate and Save since it is the most important to understand where you are saving your work. As with all computer work being organized, you will save a lot of frustration when you have created many files. Blender is all about building your own library of things. It is impossible to teach everything, so I'll assume that you know how to navigate around your computer system and create places where you store your stuff. So, we will discuss how to navigate in the Blender file browser. And the assumption is that you have created a file to save and a folder in which to save it. As for demonstration, I know that's not very exciting, but we haven't learned anything to do at this stage. So let us try to save this default file. Click on File, Save, and you will be directed to the Save interface. Here, to save a file, just enter the file name. We will name it as default. Every Blender file comes with the prefix .blend. Before, the .blend suffix was to be added manually, but now in this version of Blender, it's automatic. You need not type the .blend suffix. Now we can browse from here as to which folder we want to save our file, and I would like to save it in my desktop, and I'll click on Save Blender File. And we have successfully saved our file. Now to check if our file has been saved successfully, click on File, Open, and select default.blend. And here is our file. You can delete the file in similar way. Go to File, Open, select the file, and press Delete. Enter, and the file has been deleted. To go back to the Blender screen, press Escape, and here we are back.